Good afternoon, Miss Prestage, Mr. McSweeney, staff and students. I'm Juan and I'm applying to be one of the Southern Cross Catholic College's school captains for 2024 and 2025. I'd like to start off with how amazing this school is and how good it's been to me. The move from my previous school is to this day one of the best decisions I've ever made. I would like to tell you a story. As a young boy, before the start of the school year, my parents would take me to buy new school shoes. The shop assistant would ask me, "Are you looking forward to school?" My answer, much to their surprise, would be, "I can't wait, I love school." Somewhere between years 7 and 10, I lost that. Dragged myself out of bed, no motivation, no self-belief. 8 months ago, I walked into Southern Cross. My whole look on school changed. Now when I get asked how the new school is going, I say I love it. Never would I ever thought 8 months ago that I'd be standing before you with the desire to become college captain. I'll never forget the words that made a huge impact on me, and this is where I knew I was meant to be. We're from Miss Prestage in one of our opening assemblies. She said, "We are lucky to have you." This made me believe in myself and open my eyes to endless possibilities for the future. The main difference between my old school and Southern Cross is I'm so proud to wear the uniform and be a part of this incredible community. I want to be able to give back and represent the school with pride. A leader in my eyes is someone that is compassionate and empowers others to be the best version of themselves. A leader is respectful, resilient, and is able to communicate effectively. An outstanding leader is a good listener. They are someone that can relate to and communicate with people from all walks of life. I believe that I possess these qualities and therefore would make a great college captain. Most importantly, I want to be able to give back to the school that has given me so much in such a short period of time. The last thing I add is, I love walking through those gates every morning and being a part of this incredible community. And I'll be more than honoured to be one of your school captains going into Year 12. Thank you.